Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be reviewing another wig from Nadula Hair. So it's like Nadula, y'all have been doing the thing. They've upgraded their website. They have done some renovation because, you know, they were like, okay, time for a little bit of change. It's been a long time since we've been out here. Let's spruce things up a little bit. As regards to like everything being new, you know, like upgrading the websites and stuff like that, instead of like throwing out the old boxes, sometimes you get a new box and then in like some cases you might get the old boxes. Everybody's screaming out save the planet and whatnot, so I feel like they're doing a good thing by not throwing out old boxes and like fucking with landfill and shit like that. So yeah, the website is new, everything is new, but like you might get a new box, you might get an old one. So yeah, their website is upgraded. Like I said, it's going to be so much easier for you to navigate. You're going to find what you're looking for so much quicker. You know, like how you go on a website, you see a wig and you try to type it in the search bar and then shit just don't pop up. Nah, that's not us, okay? That's not us over here with Nadula. So the wig that I'm installing for y'all is this 3D cap design, put on and go glueless wig. And this is also Bye Knots, which means the knots have already been pre-bleached, pre-plucked. It's a 7x5 lace closure, which meaning you only have like a little bit of lace in the front, but it's not at the sides. And I'm not even mad at it because it's hot as fuck out here. Like, I've tried to glue my wigs down so many times, and I've tried to not have my wig slip back, even though I've been using the best lace glues out there. It's just way too hot. It's way too hot. Way too hot. So I feel like in the summertime, and I've said this a million times and I always say it, in the summertime, just go for a 7x5, because like when you get home out that heat, you just want to rip the wig off, go take a shower, maybe wash your hair too to get some of that sweat off your scalp, and throw the wig on like when you're ready again. So despite this being a 7x5, I took some hair out, some of my hair out by the side, because I didn't do like a cornrow going back. I just pulled my hair back. I did a blowout and I just did like a low ponytail in the back, and so that way I can like easily pull the hairs out by the side. So that's making it look even more natural, and it has kinky edges. So girl, like the possibilities are endless. You can straighten the kinky edges with a hot comb, and I kind of did that a little bit. I didn't take the kinkiness all the way out. I just hot comb it a little bit, and I'm just gluing it down so that, not gluing it down, girl, I'm gelling my edges down. I'm gelling that little front portion down so that it can lay a little bit better. And yes, bitch, that's basically it. Like, the lace is HD lace wear. The inch, I can't speak today. The length is 24 inches. Like, it's hot. The heat is getting to me. It's hot as so yeah, I did go in with some foundation, or was it concealer? I don't know, but it kind of got on the hair a little bit, so that's why I'm going in with some that hairspray, that black hairspray. I could just use eyeshadow, but I was just like, okay, let me just put this rat tail comb and like just spray this shit and get it over with. But yeah, this hair is beautiful. It's kinky, curly. It's giving me. It's giving everything. I did a little bit of baby hairs. That's my real baby hairs too. Like, those are my edges. I'm sorry, they're not baby hairs. They're adult edges. I did my adult edges, and it's looking like my hair, even though, well, it is my hair except for that little part in the top. But like, yeah, everything y'all need to know about this wig will be in the description down below. And yeah, y'all can do a side part, you can do the middle part. Like I said, if you take some hair out by the side, you can maybe put the hair up if you want to, but you kind of have to be a little careful with how you put it up, because it's not like, you know what I'm saying, it's not like a full 360 glueless lace wig, but the possibilities are there. So yeah, look at that. Like, the fun, like, y'all can't tell me nothing. Yeah, because I don't know what else to say, but like Nadula has always been pulling through, and I really hope y'all try this out. If you do, don't forget to tag me, don't forget to tag Nadula, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much again for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Nadula.